Hi guys, this is your next question from Cat 2018, the first lot. You can pause the video and try it and resume for the solution. So point P lies between points A and B such that length of BP is thrice that of AP, right? So we have the points A and B here. Point P is in between the two such that the length of BP is thrice the length of AP. So let's assume the length of AP as x kilometers. The length of BP will be thrice 3x kilometers. Okay. Car 1 starts from A and move towards B. Simultaneously, car 2 starts from B and move towards A. So from the point A, there is a car 1, C1 moving towards B along the right hand side. And from the point B, another car C2 is starting and moving towards the point A. That is, it's moving towards the left. Car 2 reaches P 1 hour after car 1 reaches P. Basically, the time taken by car 1 to reach P, if you add 1 to this, you get the time taken by car 2 to reach the point B. This is what we have been given. Further, if the speed of car 2 is half that of car 1, then the time in minutes taken by car 1 in reaching P from A. Speed of car 2 is half that of car 1. So let's suppose speed of car 1 as 2 kilometers per hour. You can assume it as 2y also, will make no difference as such. The speed of car 2 will be half of this, so it will be 1 kilometers per hour. Okay, then the time in minutes taken by car 1 in reaching P from A is, alright. So the time that car 1 takes to reach from P to A is the distance x kilometers, distance is x kilometers, upon the speed will be 2 kilometers per hour. So 2 kilometers and hours will go above. Kilometers gets cancelled. My answer will be x by 2 hours. Okay. So what I want to simply find out is the value of x by 2, and that x by 2 I will find it in hours. I need to convert that into minutes. I'll simply multiply it by 60 to get the final answer. Okay. So let's start solving, guys. We use this given equation. Time taken by car C1 to reach point P is actually x by 2. We have discussed it right now. The distance it covers is x to reach from A to P, and its speed is 2. So time taken by car 1 to reach from A to P is x upon 2, these many hours, plus 1 hour is equal to the time that car 2 takes to reach from B to P. The distance it covers in the process is 3x, and its speed is simply equal to 1. So time is distance upon speed, 3x kilometers upon 1 kilometer per hour. The time is 3x upon 1 hours. On simplifying this, x by 2 is actually 0.5x. So let's subtract 0.5x from both sides. Left hand side is 1. The right hand side becomes 3x minus 0.5 or 2.5x. Next step, we divide by 2.5 on both sides. This gives me x is equal to 1 upon 2.5. And the last step is I will divide both sides by 2. I will get x by 2 is 1 upon 2.5 into 2 is 1 upon 5. So we have found x by 2 as 1 by 5. Okay, we have seen previously also x by 2 will be the time in hours. But we want the final answer to be in minutes. 60 will get the final answer as 12 minutes, right? That is the final answer to our question, 12 minutes. Car 1 takes 12 minutes to reach from A to P. The answer to our question.